Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
Let's get it on with the impression. Yeah. So this is our presentation. As you can see above left right left something. Move freely and live fully. Let's go.
Wow!
So what is it? It is a soft semi-fluid material placed in the mouth and allowing the material to set. So, and this is the negative imprint of hard and soft tissues in the mouth, from which a positive reproduction such as a cast or model can be formed. It's made by placing an appropriate material in a dental impression tray which is designed to roughly fit over the dental arches.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go,
Yes, yes.
let's go. Next.
Calling out.
Calling out the next reporter.
So, ideal impression material qualities. So, the qualities should be excellent and detailed in reproduction. Good tear strength, no distortion when removed. It is biocompatible and non-toxic. Acceptable odor, long working time, and short setting time. Next.
Next. So the material that we will use is addition silicone. So, yeah.
Basahin mo na. Okay, basahin mo na.
Next. So this is the characteristics. As you can see at the slide, accuracy, dimensional stability, tear strength, and hydrophobicity. So yeah, let's explain them one by one. Addition silicones are favored for their high precision and accuracy in replication. In dentistry, for instance, they accurately capture the intricacies of teeth and oral tissues, ensuring intricacies pala, of teeth and oral tissues, ensuring well-fitted prosthetics and crowns. So, dimensional stability, they exhibit excellent dimensional stability, meaning they retain their shape and size over time. This property is crucial in dental impressions, where even the slightest distortion can affect the fit of restorations. In tear strength, the additional silicones, it's have good tear strength, which allowing for easy removal from molds without deformation. This is vital in mold making process, ensuring that intricate details are faithfully reproduced. And the last part is the hydrophobicity. They are hydrophobic, meaning they repel water. This property prevents moisture interference during setting, ensuring accurate impression even in wet environments like the oral cavity. So what is the characteristic, class? It's accuracy,
dimensional stability, tear strength, and hydrophobicity.
So let's remember that in our future when we will become a dentist someday. Maybe tomorrow we will.
Yeah.
Let's let's move on. Let's move on. So yeah.
Introducing Lane. So for the advantages of this, the advantages are high precision, dimensional stability, tear strength, hydrophobicity, and versatility.
Yes.
High precision means additional silicone offer exceptional accuracy and detailed reproduction, making them ideal for applications requiring precise replication of shapes and surfaces such as dental impressions and mold making. For dimensional stability, they exhibit excellent dimensional stability, retaining their shape and size over time, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of molds and impressions during handling and storage. For tear strength, additional silicone have good tear strength, allowing for easy removal from molds without distortion or tearing, resulting in precise reproductions with intricate details intact. Hydrophobicity, their hydrophobic nature repels water, ensuring accurate impressions even in moist environments, like the oral cavity, which is essential in dentistry for capturing the details of teeth and gums. Lastly, versatility. Additional silicones come in a range of viscosities and setting time, allowing professionals to choose formulations tailored to specific applications, enhancing versatility and usability. Ako ba rin?
Lance.
Sige ako na.
Yan.
Disadvantages.
Okay, for the disadvantages of our addition silicon, of course, the first disadvantage is its cost. Because addition silicon is more expensive compared to other impression materials such as alginate or polyether. Because as we can see, alginate is the I can say the most basic impression that we use in our practice in just like in dental materials. And of course, the setting time is the disadvantage of addition silicon because the setting time is quick and compared to other materials like polyether, some formulations may still require several minutes to set fully, which can prolong procedures time and particularly in dental applications. And if we want ano na to have an impression of our patient, we want it to have a quick, di ba? Or sakto lang, di ba? Saktong setting
Yes.
time.
Right.
Yes.
And number three is material handling. Addition silicons typically require careful handling, just like ano, kapag
Pag may nasa relationship.
ang
Yeah.
and precise mixing ratios of base and catalyst components to ensure proper setting and optimal properties, which may pose challenges for inexperienced users. And shelf life. The shelf life of addition silicons can be limited once opened. So dapat once na mabuksan natin yung addition silicon, dapat gamitin na agad natin. And improper storage conditions or expired materials can compromise their performance and reliability. So merong mahinang shelf life ang addition silicon. And lastly, for the disadvantage is the material waste. Unlike some other impression materials that can be reused or recycled, addition silicon ay hindi na pwedeng gamitin or cannot be reused one set, leading to material wastage and increased cost, particularly in high volume applications. So once na magamit na ito, once na mabuksan na ito, ay hindi na siya pwede gamitin kaya itatapon na lang. So bye-bye. Next.
Next.
Next. Go.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
Qualities of good impression material. The must-have qualities are accurate impression, dimensional stability, tear strength, compatibility, hydrophobicity or hydrophilicity, ease of use, setting time, minimal distortion, biocompatibility, and longevity.
Oh, explain.
Alam nila yan. I know you guys are smart people and you understand all of these.
Okay, so here are the common mistakes in taking impression. As you can see here in the left, the blue impression.
Here.
Yeah, ay, ito pala, nagagalaw pala to.
Yeah.
This is already setting and it is too late. It's already hard.
Too late.
So,
Too late.
these are the problems that may arise from bad
Yeah.
impression. Also, like in this part, it's not, it's not, ang tawag dyan,
Repeat
like,
mo na yan.
repeat na daw, sabi ni Doc. Yan. Kasi hindi na-capture yung, ito, and yung frenum. Frenum.
Ito yung mga bad impressions.
And yan, ito pa yung mga bad impressions. So, inaccurate reproduction, poor dimensional stability during our distortion, and etc. Izar, explain.
Addition issues.
So, adhesion issues. Poor compatibility between the impression material and the substrate that result in adhesion issues. So, pag hindi kayo compatible, yun, syempre, pangit na yung resulta. Aray. So, next is the air bubbles or voids, entrapment of air bubbles of voids within the impression. Syempre, kailangan natin ng exact replication ng tooth. Syempre, pag pag may bubble, syempre ano yun, baka akala nila may butas yung yung bibig, may butas yung bibig. O kaya may cyst.
Again, next level 8.
And next, setting time problems. Yeah, and biocompatibility concerns compromise longevity and waste of time and resources.
Yes,
So,
yes.
So, yun nga. Waste of time. Dapat kailangan mabilis ang kilos. Yeah.
Para hindi ka sad
Wiki lang,
to,
wiki.
sad to eh.
Ayan, sad yung nasa PowerPoint.
Kailangan happy.
Paano? Yan. Ganyan. So, yan yung, this is our
Step by step.
step-by-step of pati wash.
Basahin natin sabay-sabay. Number
Number one. Let's read together.
Scoop out even amounts of patty, catalyst, and base. Number two.
Ito.
Mix patties, make sure there is an even color without swirls. Place the patty evenly in the upper tray. Sieve the tray, inserting into the mouth with the posterior aspect first. Lift the upper lip while firmly seating the tray filled with material. Hold pressure in the premolar area.
Next.
Count to 20, then remove from the patient's mouth.
Next.
Pinch pan around the edge of the tray, extending the material into the vestibule area.
Next.
Extrude flow wash into clinical crown area. Begin in the posterior with a continuous flow, not lifting the tip of the syringe.
Next.
Last, receive back into the mouth. Remember the patty is very thick and must be firmly seated until all contacts are made. Stand behind the patient and hold the tray to stabilize the impression. The impression will set in 2.5 minutes.
So fast.
So fast.
Easy.
Next.
Next. So contact us in Malabi A.
If you have
If you have any inquiries or concert,
If you're single.
Yeah, or single.
call me baby. Uy, next mo ba yan?
Meron pa. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So this is our presentation. Hope you understand and
Yung pangat naman ng mukha.
God bless.
Ayun, gabi ka na rin.
God bless everyone.
Bye!
Thank you po, Docs. Docs wa.
Thank you po sa pagpasayang.
Signature.
Thank you. Thank you and I love you guys.